P20K2P4 is a compact piston seal, created from 4 components. The first part is a rubber energizer installed in the bottom of the groove. The cap, made of Chesterton super red polymer or sherry polymer, is a robust sealing to the cylinder. 2 pieces of hard plastic L-shaped rings protect seal against extrusion. All the components are made of premium Chesterton polymers to survive the most demanding applications. Before you start the installation, check the groove. If there are some scratches, how is the condition of the groove, how is the sharpness of the edges. Next step, separate the components of the seal. Take out anti-extrusion rings and remove the upper cap. Install rubber energizer into the groove then. Never use sharp tools like screwdrivers, which can damage your seal during the installation. Never use heavy gloves to avoid dirt in your groove. Clean the groove before putting seal in. The Chesterton 294 degreaser can be used for that. Clean the groove with a clean cloth. You can clean your seal as well using compatible cleaner. Wipe out all particles. Be sure that it's clean, as it's critical for the operation. Lubricate your seal before installation using compatible grease or oil. Then lubricate the groove. The Chesterton 652 can be used for most hydraulic and pneumatic standard applications. Prepare your straps for the installation. Put them inside the seal. Pull straps strongly to stretch the seal around the piston. Ask for support if second person is needed. Using straps, align the seal around the groove. Remove straps slowly and gently to avoid burning the seal. Lubricate installed rubber energizer. And lubricate upper cap component then. Put straps inside the dynamic part of the seal. Stretch seal around the piston, same like with the rubber energizer. Be careful, this seal is much more robust, it could be more difficult and you should use more power to do it. Ask for support if second person is needed. Align the seal around piston, then move straps gently. Push both parts together against the wall in the groove. Both anti-extrusion rings are made of hard plastic. They are split for easier installation. Open the split and stretch your ring around the piston. Push it inside the groove between the seal. Make sure that split is fully closed. The split position for second ring should be located opposite. Make sure you install and stretch the ring in a good position. The P20K2P4 installation is completed. This robust piston seal is dedicated for medium and heavy-duty hydraulic applications, like boom and stick cylinders in mobile mining machines. The main and ancillary cylinders in presses, in steel and aluminum, and in automotive industry.